Hey, it's Greg Hawks again. Welcome to another open sourcing. And we're going to be talking about bullying again, but we're going to be talking about bullying in a different way. So let me share my screen. If I can share my screen, that would be great. And I want to share this screen. So basically what I'm going to be doing is talking about finding basically I'm searching for mechanical engineer, and I'm searching for mechanical engineer resumes. So basically what I'm doing is I'm telling Google what I'm looking for. I'm saying mechanical engineer, resume or CV or vitae, and I'm looking in Texas. Whenever you do this kind of search, you can take out certain words like template, sample. That usually comes up with resumes. That's why you see a dash. That's basically telling Google, I don't want that. I don't want a template. I don't want a sample. I don't want to look for jobs or anything that involves applying. And as you can see with this list here, there are several resumes here, okay? And these are, you'll see mechanical engineering, focus in Texas, several different examples that you see why I put in the VT words as well. I've actually built CSEs around this, but I wanted to show a couple of examples. Same deal with Yahoo. Yahoo has a search engine that you can use, and I have literally put the same thing in here. And as you can see, when I pull this up, you will get a different results list, okay? Why this is important is because when you get into more of the complex site searches, things like that, what are we looking for? We're looking for different types of lists, different names, different sorts of things. So same thing with Bing. I literally have put in the same thing with Bing, and Bing has different operators and different things that you can and can't do in it, but same sort of thing here. I see some of the same names, but I see different names. So for example, if you're looking through a specific site that's a social network, you can use a site search function and look through the different search engines and find different results. Now, I also wanted to mention, because I know that there's a global audience, there's always things that work in the US, and then you go outside the US and working at a global scale, and then things break. So I wanted to give some additional examples of global search engines. And this is something that I've used in the past when I was looking for a way to look for in Dublin, Ireland. So I've done some global type of stuff in the past as well, you know, whether it's in the UK, whether it was in Puerto Rico, you know, different things like that. Different search engines work better. So obviously Google works well in the US, but when you go outside, there's always things that break. So if I was to look for search engines in Asia, for example, it will pull up a list of different search engines in Asia, for example. Actually, let me just look in, let me look in China for right now. So there's a couple of recommendations there. Search in Europe, let's go in Germany. I'll just pick Germany. And there's some that I've never heard of before, but they're definitely worth trying. So this is a free resource too. So a couple of examples. Again, try different variations, try different search engines, and you know, literally if you're trying a keyword search and it seems to be effective, try it in another search engine, because you can find different results. Okay, so again, thanks for tuning in to Open Sourcing. There will definitely be more coming, more of these videos. Thanks for stopping in and watching.